What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Dub's ATV. I'm Dub. Remember? It's me. All right, so we're gonna be doing another install today, and I know you guys are like, he installs so much stuff. When is this bike ever gonna be done? Never. There's always work to do. I happen to ride with a bunch of guys that ride 450s, and they think there's something special because they can handle in the woods. I'd also like to handle in the woods. So what I did was I got some Rocket Run revalves. Rocket Run, yep. So what I did was I got the some stock YFZ 450 long travel shocks. Well, they're long travel for this. They're 18 inches eye to eye, 18.5 inches eye to eye, and they will fit the Raptor. And what I did was I bought those, sent those off to Rocket Run to get revalved for my size and blah, 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 weight and riding style and stuff. And I told him I was a professional motocross racer and I was going to beat Joel Hetrick on a Raptor. So he hooked that up. And so now I'm running long travel on the Raptor. I don't know if you can tell. I never did do it before and after, but yeah, it's long travel now. Now, in the rear is what we're going to be doing the install on, because I still have my Elka stock. Well, not my Elka stock. It's just been on there for a long time. My Elka shock. It's an Elka Legacy shock. It has rebound and compression, high speed, low speed compression, and rebound. So I didn't change that one because, really didn't do too much of it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the linkage. And the linkage is this little thing that looks like a dog bone. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give your Raptor a dog bone. I don't even know if I'm pointing at it right. I don't know what the camera's pointing at. If you ride a Raptor, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so here's the linkage we decided to go with. Hess. We're going with a Hess rear linkage. Now, I'm going to explain to you using my science of what this linkage is going to do. Now, scientifically and geometrically and in a state of, if we're talking about physics, what it's going to do is going to geometrically change the ratio of the dog bone wishbone, in which the long travel goes up and down, and then extends your verticality with which the horizontal plane is thereby lined up with your perpendicular measurements. You know what I mean? Right. So when you're perpendicular, so say for instance you're hitting a huge tabletop, a high jump, and you're 47 feet in the air on your Raptor like I always do. What it's going to do is when you come back down, your perpendicular plane needs to be diagonal with your physical dog bone, which is the Hess linkage, to give you some long travel. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So stay tuned. And you see that? That's a new addition to my family. All right, so here is the linkage from Hess Motorsports. It didn't really come like this. I already opened it. I wrapped it back up to give it some mystique. There it is. Ta-da! Hess. Yeah. Now, I'll be honest with you. I really don't know what it's going to do, but it was recommended that I do this. And I'm all for installing stuff and doing new things and putting new products and installations on my ATV, but here it is. I'll be honest with you. it just looks like a cleaner version of the one I already have. We'll do a comparison because I'm going to take it off and then I'm going to put them side by side, and maybe some of you know-it-alls, kidding, maybe you can tell me, but I don't know what this is going to do. We'll see.